Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer pages from Confluence to Google Sites. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring pages from Confluence to Google Sites, start by logging into your Confluence account. Navigate to the space containing the pages you want to transfer. Select the page you wish to export. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. Choose Export from the drop-down options. You will see multiple export formats. Select PDF for easier transfer. Once the PDF is generated, download it to your computer. Next, log into your Google Sites account. Open the site where you want to add the content. Click on the Insert tab located in the right sidebar. Select Embed from the options available. In the Embed section, choose the Embed Code option. While still in your Confluence PDF, extract the text and images you want to include. Copy the content directly from the PDF. Return to Google Sites and paste the content into the page. Format the text as needed using Google Sites editing tools. If you have images, upload them using the Images option in Google Sites. Position and resize images within your layout for an appealing look. Once you are satisfied with the content layout, click Publish in the top right corner. Confirm the changes by clicking Publish again in the prompt. Repeat this process for remaining pages you want to transfer. Finally, check each page in Google Sites to ensure everything appears as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.